Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to Suryansi Learning Classes. Today we'll discuss about 10 important questions for ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level Exam. So let's begin. Code coverage is used as a measure of what? A. Defects. B. Trend analysis. C. Test effectiveness. Or D. Time spent testing. And the right answer is option C. Test effectiveness. Explanation: code coverage is a measure used to describe the degree to which source code of a program is executed when a particular test suite runs. The intent is the higher the code coverage, the lower the chance of having undetected software bugs. Code coverage is used as a measure of test effectiveness. Which of the following is the purpose of the review planning phase? A. Log defects. B. Explain the documents to the participants. C. Gather metrics. Or D. Allocate the individual roles. And the right answer is option D. Allocate the individual roles. Explanation: log defects explanation done during a review meeting. Explain the documents to the participants is done during kickoff phase. Gather matrix is done during follow-up phase. Allocate the individual roles is done during review planning phase. To test a function, the programmer has to write a blank, which calls the function to be tested and passes it test data. A. Stub. B. Driver. C. Proxy. Or D. None of the above. And the right answer is option B. Driver. Explanation: a test driver is a specially designed user interface which enables test data to be inputted and passed to a subsystem which is being tested. A test driver is only used in testing and does not have any place in the final system. Which of the following would be the best test approach when there are poor specification or time pressures? A. Use case testing. B. White box testing. C. Exploratory testing. Or D. Specification based testing. And the right answer is option C. Exploratory testing. Explanation: exploratory testing is the best test approach when there are poor specification or time pressures because it does not rely on specification and can produce results very quickly. An input field takes the year of birth between 1900 and 2004. The boundary values for testing this field are A. 0, 1900, 2004, 2005. B. 1900, 2004. C. 1899, 1900, 2004, 2005. Or D. 1899, 1900, 1901, 2003, 2004, 2005. And the right answer is option C. 1899, 1900, 2004, 2005. Explanation: as mentioned in the question, the input field takes the year of birth between 1900 and 2004. 1900 and 2004 are sufficient boundary valid input values. 1899 and 2005 are sufficient boundary invalid input values. Which of the following is not a quality characteristic listed in ISO 9126 standard? A. Functionality. B. Usability. C. Supportability. Or D. Maintainability. And the right answer is option C. Supportability. Explanation: the ISO 91261 software quality model identifies six main quality characteristics, namely functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability, and portability. Which of the following are non-functional testing methods? A. System testing, B. Usability testing, C. Performance testing, or D. Both B and C. And the right answer is option D. Both B and C. Explanation: non-functional testing is done to verify the non-functional requirement of the application, like performance, usability, etc. It verifies if the behavior of the system is as per the requirement or not. It covers all the aspects which are not covered in functional testing. Which of the following tools would be involved in the automation of regression test? A. Data tester, B. Boundary tester, C. Capture and playback, or D. Output comparator. And the right answer is option C. Capture and playback. Explanation: a capture replay tool is a kind of test execution tool in which the entries are recording during manual testing, with the goal of generating automated test scripts that can be replayed afterwards. These tools are often used to support automated regression tests. Incorrect form of logic coverage is A. Statement coverage, B. Pole coverage, C. Condition coverage, or D. Path coverage. And the right answer is option B. Pole coverage. Explanation: types of logic coverage. Statement: each statement executed at least once. Branch: each branch traversed at least once. Condition: each condition true at least once and false at least once. Branch condition: both branch and condition coverage achieved. Compound condition: all combinations of condition values at every branch statement covered. Path: all program paths traverse at least once. Pick the best definition of quality. A. Quality is job 1. B. Zero defects. C. Conformance to requirements. Or D. Work as designed. And the right answer is option C. Conformance to requirements. Explanation: there are a number of well-known quality definitions. ISO 8402 defines quality as the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bears on its ability to meet a stated or implied need. Defines quality as conformance to requirement. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned and we are going to add few more videos related to ISTQB. So keep watching our videos and keep learning. Until then, take care. Goodbye.